Hey guys, it's Jordan here from Coin Bureau Trading. Just a quick update on the crypto market. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video to get all of the important info. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's get into it. We can see here our daily RSI is sitting below the 50 level, which could signal some short to medium term bearish momentum. It's also good to note that there is low liquidity at the moment due to thin holiday trading and declining open interest. This could mean that Bitcoin could remain range bound for a little bit longer. Large ETF outflows are also adding selling pressure and impacting the overall sentiment badly. We also have a massive options expiry of 23 billion in Bitcoin options expiring on the 26th of December. This could potentially exert downward pressure here near max pain levels. We do, however, see Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy buying week on week around 1 billion in Bitcoin, stacking at these levels, currently holding roughly 3% of the total supply. Is this simply dollar cost averaging for the company, or do they know something that we don't? And are they seeing these current levels as ultimate buy zones? Let's get into some TA on the charts. One positive thing to note here is that our massive bear flag formation may just be invalidating. For those of you who missed it, this is the large bearish structure of our current bear flag pattern, and we can see that the bulls are really pushing to invalidate this. We have lots of strong wicks coming in, which does show indecision and a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. We may still see now a downward pole come in at the bottom of the flag, but this does not look like a typical retest of the support and resistance flip at the bottom of the flag. And of course, this is slightly positive as the bear flag 75k target is very bearish. What we can see now, if we bring up our fixed range volume profile, is that we are remaining range bound at current. And really the most important level right now is this $90,000 psychological round level, which is also sitting around our point of control on the current fixed range volume profile. We can see two major attempts from the bulls to break this level, which have ended in very strong rejections. It's also then important to note, if we zoom all the way out to the larger range and drop in our fixed range volume profile, that we can see the largest high volume nodes are sitting at 104,800, a larger point of control sitting at 96,400, and this current high volume zone sitting just at current price. This zone is between 84 and 87,000 and is currently the zone that has been holding us up. If we do lose this zone and reject below it, we may see these lower levels of high volume, and important to take note that the biggest one of these high volume levels below us is sitting at 67,000. Zooming back in closer to price but staying on the daily time frame, we can see that our market cipher indicator is printing a red dot, and we are seeing money flow pointing in a downwards direction, as well as a recent VWAP cross to the downside. These are three signs that we may see at least more short-term downwards movement. Another important resource for us right now is the liquidation heat map. Here we can see on this Binance Futures liquidation heat map that we did tap the liquidation cluster up at 90,000 and get a heavy rejection from that level. We can see that sitting below us, we do have another liquidation cluster starting around 84,000 and going all the way down to 82,500. We can see cumulatively here in this zone around 1 billion in liquidations, and this can act as a magnet for price, so be aware of this zone. For those of you who were following the CPI outcome, it rose 2.7% year on year, which was below the expectations of 3.1%. This is a bullish sign for crypto in the medium to short term, and we can see the effect here that it had on the charts. However, this was short-lived, as we did see the major rejection from that round psychological level of 90k. To wrap up, we can expect Bitcoin to remain range bound and potentially continue to be highly volatile with a cautious bias as markets await a clearer direction. Watch the key support levels closely for a major breakout in either direction towards those higher volume node levels that I have given. Very important for everybody to take note of is our new campaign with WEEX. I have traded on WEEX in eSport trading championships, and really it is one of the best platforms I have ever traded on. It is extremely reliable when it comes to liquidity, and the UI and UX is very user-friendly. and easy to execute trades on. Please, everybody, make sure you are taking advantage of this week's campaign, as it is free trading capital for your account. There is nothing better as a trader than trading with free capital and being able to make profits with zero risk. If you are trading with free capital, you actually have no risk. So let's take a little look at how to get this free capital for your account. And really, it is very easy. WEEX is making it super easy for us. For the first $50 futures trading bonus, all you have to do is deposit $100 and trade a $10,000 volume. A $10,000 volume might seem like a lot, but actually it's really easy to achieve by using leverage. If you deposit just $100 and open and close one trade on 50x, you will already reach your $10,000 volume goal needed to get your $50 bonus. The fees that you will pay will also not be nearly $50, so you will be making money on that trade even if you just open and close it. I would urge you not to just open and close a trade, but try to use the trading strategies that I have spoken about to open a trade, make some profits on your initial $100, and close the trade and rinse and repeat until you have reached the volume to get your free $50 trading bonus. You can then use this bonus to trade and make profits, and the profits are withdrawable. You can then also see that you can earn another $80 trading bonus simply by depositing $500 and reaching a $20,000 volume. This also then goes up for those traders who have access to higher margin to deposit $1,000, reach $100,000 in volume, and receive a $100 trading bonus. The rewards do not even stop there. If you are a futures trader hitting higher volumes, you can see here that if you hit a $10 million volume, you can claim a $1,000 USDT bonus. You can then go on to continue to climb in your volume and earn trading bonuses all the way up to $5,000 in bonus. And if you are climbing these volume levels, you can see that these bonuses do add up, right up to a $12,000 in total if you manage to climb the ranks of all of these volume levels. So please follow the link in the description, use the QR code right here, scan it, get involved, get the free capital, and trade with lower risk by using these trading bonuses